In today's video, I'm going to show you how to type into text input fields in Firefox using a couple of simple keyboard tricks. This is super useful when your cursor won't land in the right box right away, when a page has tricky form fields, or when you want a faster way to move through a website without constantly reaching for the mouse. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips and browser tutorials. Let's start with the easiest method, using the Tab key. Tab is one of the fastest ways to move through a web page form. When you press Tab, Firefox will move the focus to the next available input field on the page. That means if you're on a form with several text boxes, checkboxes, or buttons, you can keep pressing Tab until the highlighted cursor lands in the exact field you want. Once the field is focused, just start typing. If you tab too far past the field you wanted, you can usually hold Shift and press Tab to move backward. This is a great habit to learn because it works on many websites, not just one specific page. So if you're filling out login forms, contact forms, search bars, or comment boxes, Tab can save you a lot of time. Now let's move on to a more advanced trick called Native Search Anchor. This method is especially helpful when a page has a lot of text or multiple input fields and you're not sure where the one you need is located. On Windows, press Ctrl and F. On Mac, press Command and F. This opens Firefox's built-in Find box. Next, type a word that appears right next to your target input field. It could be a label, a nearby heading, or any text that helps you find the exact area on the page. The key here is to choose a word that is close to the box you want to use. Once you've typed it, Firefox will highlight the matching text on the page. After that, press ESC to close the search box. Then press Tab, and Firefox will snap the cursor into the nearby text field. This is a really handy trick when the input field itself is difficult to select, because the browser uses the nearby text as a kind of anchor point to move focus to the right place. If the cursor doesn't land exactly where you expect, try pressing Tab one more time. Some pages have multiple focusable elements around the field, so a second tab may bring you right into the input box. The more you practice this, the faster you'll get at jumping into the correct field without needing to click around manually. To recap, the first method is simple tab navigation, which moves through fields one by one. The second method is using Ctrl or Command plus F, typing a nearby word, closing the search with ESC, and then pressing Tab to jump into the text input field. Both methods are easy, fast, and really useful when browsing in Firefox. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more Firefox shortcuts and browser productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.